Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to use Chart AI for trading. Using Chart AI for trading in 2026 has never been easier or more precise. To start, of course, you want to open the website or you want to install the application and create an account where you can sign in with your Google or any account that you prefer. Next up, once set up, you can input your preferred assets, timeframes, and risk parameters, allowing the AI to analyze a real-time market data and historical trends. The platform's advanced algorithm identify patterns, potential entry and exit points, and even forecast short-term price movements with impressive accuracy. Traders can customize alert for key signals, backtest strategies against past market behavior, and can adjust their settings to align with their risk tolerance. So, by combining AI driven insights with your own market knowledge, you can now make faster, data backed trading decisions while minimizing emotional bias. Overall, Chart AI serves as a powerful assistant, helping both beginners and experienced traders navigate the market more effectively.